My name's Ralph Williams, and I've lived here for 20 years. When we bought the house, we knew that the roof had been put on 4 or 5 years prior to our purchase. They did a really thorough job in going into the attic, which I was surprised, the crawl space, and just looking at that and showing me the videos of what there was issues could have been that we had taken care of in previous years through another contractor. The other item is the outside. I didn't realize that it was deteriorating as much as it was. I didn't think I needed a new roof, but evidently having them do the videos and showing me everything that needed to be done, I decided to go ahead and have the work done. And when I saw the situation was and what needed to be done, I'm very happy with everything that they did and pointed out things that needed to be addressed. I was impressed how they walked around the roof. I'd be scared to death to do it, but I'm very happy with everything they've done. They were very professional. They came here at 7. They actually started working about 7:15 and was done by 3:15 and out of here. And very impressed. Talk to me about the whirlybird, which I'm very impressed about. It really, you can see in the video how it's really working, getting the ventilation. And he told me where he had to mount it because of the insulation that I have in the attic. And that was very, I mean, he didn't have to explain that, why they did it, but it was great. The drip edge is a lot better than the drip edge that was on there, and it covers more of the fascia. I don't have to worry about now. And they put a new vent for my bathroom. They did that as well. The vent pipe, they put a new cover on that. It looks a lot nicer than what was there. I don't have to worry about it for as long as I'm alive, but I really like the work that was done, and I'm very happy. Oh yeah, definitely, definitely.